Hi. I'm at my daughter's house in Connecticut. It's my grandson Sonny's 19th birthday. It was Friday, and my daughter's was yesterday. And they had plans for their birthday, but I came here today to celebrate with them. And we're gonna go out for dinner, but right now we're gonna have a little Italian appetizer. Some Genoa salami, some pecorino romano, a little roasted peppers, and I just made fresh mozzarella. Okay, see you later. The mozzarella, I just made it. It's so milky. My grandson is patiently waiting for it. Look at the milk coming out of it. Ah. Wow. So we're at Akita Japanese restaurant, having a birthday celebration for Nicki and Sonny.
Oh, hey now. The volcano. Ready?
So this is the desserts I made for them. That's red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting and strawberry shortcake muffins with strawberry inside, strawberry gelée, I guess, with whipped cream and strawberries on top. Delicious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicki and Morrow. Happy birthday to you. One candle for each.
But you're waiting for me?
Yeah.
I need to think about this for a second.
All right, well, that's the end of the day. Nobody wanted to be in the video. So we celebrated their birthdays, and we do it together.
That sounds so depressing.
Until next time.